All right, guys, it is week 3, day number 4. I'm really excited because the next couple of days, me and my wife will be on the road. We're actually going camping. And so this is a great opportunity to really put together some tips for you guys as far as when your routine, when your habits gets kind of altered with traveling, busy schedule, going out of town, etc. And so as I pack right now, I'm just thinking of the different ways where I'll have to remain flexible, thinking of the creative ways where I'll still have to do this week's second home workout. It'll obviously be outside. And so whenever you go on trips, it's really an exciting time. And sometimes we can get into the mindset of, all right, well, obviously my priority is to go and have fun, which it should be, right? But it's really easy to kick our habits to the side, not do them at all. And then worse, when we get back from where we went, we're kicked out of our routine. All that momentum is gone. Our routine is gone, our habits. And sometimes it gets really hard to revamp up. And so as we go, or as I go, as you come along with me, these next 4 or so days, just kind of share things as far as how to keep your fitness on the go. So I'm excited. I'm packed up. I have my my boxes right here. Actually, give me just a second. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do. If you're actually going on the road, this is actually my second pair. My first pair, I actually squashed it. And so if you're taking your exercise boxes on the road and you're wondering, how am I gonna keep it sealed or whatever? Boom, right there. Put it in a little bit of Tupperware. See that? And boom, you're good to go. It's not gonna get squashed. Easy to take with you. I will see you tomorrow on the road.